Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Strategy Trading Bot. I just tap on my account and officially logged in, and I will just tap on this more option in my dashboard. And when I was tap and scroll down to find a trading bot, when you find the trading bot, just tap on, and inside you will see this. So this is the bot list. I will just tap on this spot grid, and from here you can just copy it and you will just set the manual. So from here you can just set the price of buying. You will just set the low price. When the price was low, it will be automatically buy the amount you set, and you will I was just set the example of 1.0%, and when I was a sell, and I was just price set to high 1.8%. So you can just set the arithmetic or geometric. In investment, you will just tap on the investment amount. You will just set up which you have to invest amount in, like $100 or above $100. The choice is yours. And advanced options, you will see the triggering up and much more. So when you fill all your information is accurately, you will be able to this create button. So just tap on it and it will be create a trading bot plan on the Binance. You can set a 1 day or 3 day or a 1 month. The choice is yours. And are you trading bot good for beginners? Introduction: if you don't know anything about crypto investment but want to get started, then Bybit's trading bots might be an excellent choice because it's operating artificial intelligence. Please like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.